Hey, it's Eric G from the Around the House show. Elevate your grilling game with the all-new Monty McGrill's Omni Pro series. The Eminescence 405 is packed with cutting-edge features, blending elegance with expert-level performance. 4 powerful burners plus a side-searing station deliver 60,000 BTUs of precision heat. The Clearview lid lets you keep an eye on your masterpiece without losing heat. Stay in control with the smart Bluetooth app, track your temps, set timers, and get alerts from anywhere. The LED touch panel ensures effortless monitoring, even in bright daylight. Temperature sensing lights keep you grilling anytime, anywhere. This grill is built to last, and it's also backed by a 10-year limited warranty. The Eminescence 405, where power, style, and innovation meet. Check it out and order your new grill at monumcgrills.com. That's monumcgrills.com.
Here is what is coming up on Saturday's episodes of Around the House with Eric G. Make sure you are subscribed to the podcast on your favorite podcast player. If you want exclusive content and early access, make sure and subscribe to the Around the House Insider. In the first hour, Eric gives you his secret tips for the greenest lawn in the neighborhood without using too much water or fertilizer.
You know, coming into the winter, since I had a lawn that didn't have the best care for decades before it, it was not in the best shape. But the cool thing here was that I really liked is it really busted up the thatch. I had some thatch in there and it really broke it down over the winter. And that was using their stuff right there. So it really dialed things in and made it look really good. So it's going to be a healthier lawn for me. So just going through a process like that where it's mindless, they send you a box, you look at it, it's a subscription based, and it is way cheaper than the lawn care companies out there that'll come by and spray who knows what across your lawn. So check those guys out at Lawn Bright. They've really been my secret to getting my lawn.
Coming up in this week's second hour of the show, springtime is all about refinishing. So Eric discusses all his tips and tricks for making sure your house painting project turns out the best. Then dives into refinishing decks and fences.
The other thing is to make sure you're using the right primer. The right primer is key here. Whether you have adhesion problems where you want an adhesion primer or an adhesion primer that maybe is thicker, that'll smooth over all those places that you did your feathering on your sanding to make sure that those aren't dropping down too much and you don't see it. Some of that stuff is almost like spray Bondo where it just is really in there filling. But you want to make sure you're using the right primer. And yes, paint and primer are not the same as primer. So if you're going over an old finish or you had things that were chalky or you had things that were just not looking optimal, that's where you want to use the primer and then the paint. Now, check with your paint store. They probably can turn around.
All that and more on Saturday's Around the House show with Eric G. Are you an Around the House insider? To get the show early with exclusive content, check out the link in the show notes below. Make sure you catch our new website at aroundthehouseonline.com. Otherwise, our 2 new episodes publish each Saturday here on your favorite podcast player. Thanks for tuning into Around the House. We will see you on Saturday.
Hey, it's Eric G with Around the House. Are you looking to grow your business? Need a spokesperson for your company? Maybe an MC for an upcoming trade show? Or maybe you want to up your game and shoot some promotional videos? My team of experts would love to chat with you. Head to aroundthehouseonline.com and fill out the Contact Us form, and we'll set something up. Thanks for listening to Around the House.